Harmony is the sound of two or more notes heard simultaneously. Harmony is the concept of combining different sounds. Harmony is when two or more musical notes are played at the same time, creating a pleasing sound. Sometimes, even when notes are played one after another, they can still form a harmonious sequence. It's like different musical notes or voices coming together to make a richer, fuller sound. There are two types of harmony. First is the dissonance, second is the consonance. Dissonance is a sound jarring. The notes of dissonance is a clash and create tension. So dissonance happens when two or more notes are played together and they sound like they clash or don't fit well. This creates feeling of tension, discomfort in the music. So as we all know, diba, sa uban nga mga sounds, makuha na to nga kanaging dili ta ma-feel na to nga dili gyud siya kan dili ta comfortable like may ana gani mo na siya ang dissonance. Consonance, it is a sound that is smooth and blends naturally to the ears. And these harmonies are pleasing to the ears. So, consonants, when notes smooth and blend well together, they create a harmony that is stable and pleasing to our ears. These harmonies feel comfortable and enjoyable to listen to. So, for example, sa kani nga consonants kay di ba naay sound ang dissonance kay kanang kuan gyud siya kanang lain kay siya paminaw then magpuol gani paminaw. So, while ang consonants mo ni ang mga tukar nga kanang ganahan ganita balik-balikon kay nindot kay siya paminawon sa tuang dunggan. Like sa kanaging mga kanta sa tong mga 1980s, 1990s, di ba nindot siya paminaw.